Dear friends, I have some incredible news to share with you. After extensive research on Sujood, the act of prostration during prayer, two scientists made a groundbreaking discovery that led one of them, a female scientist, to embrace Islam. This extraordinary finding has the potential to completely change not only your perspective on prayer, but also your physical and spiritual health. Once you learn about this remarkable revelation, you will never look at Sujood in the same way again. Be sure to watch the full video and leave a comment saying Subhanallah to share your thoughts. Now, let's dive in. Assalamu alaikum. To all our respected viewers, prayer is not merely an act of worship that connects us with Allah. It also offers immense benefits for our physical and mental well-being. A crucial part of prayer is maintaining focus and mindfulness in every movement we make. Unfortunately, some individuals rush through their prayers, hurrying to complete it rather than fully experiencing and appreciating each action. Two movements that are frequently rushed are ruku, bowing, and sujood. Many may mistakenly believe that worldly concerns are more pressing than engaging sincerely in prayer. In truth, both ruku and sujood are deeply significant, providing both spiritual and remarkable health benefits. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, advised his followers to prolong their movements in ruku and sujood, highlighting that these acts hold exceptional merit. A hadith states that when a person stands to pray, all their sins are placed upon their shoulders. With each ruku and sujood, these sins are erased. Therefore, the longer one spends in ruku and sujood, the more sins are cleared away. A recent study conducted by scientists has shown that performing these movements mindfully and at a slower pace carries significant health advantages. In the Quran, Surah Al-Layla, verse 58, Allah states, "And when you call to prayer, they make it a mockery and a game. Such are people without understanding." This verse inspired scientists to explore the movements associated with prayer through a scientific lens. The story begins with Dr. Fidelma Oluri, a biology professor at Edwards University in Austin, Texas. In 2012, she received the Woman of Spirit Award and holds a position as a neuroscientist at the University of Texas. Dr. Fidelma has conducted fascinating research on the intricacies of the human brain. In her capacity as a neurologist, she was astounded by the complexities of brain function. One finding surprised her: certain nerves in the human body do not consistently receive blood flow. Ordinarily, every part of the brain requires adequate blood supply for optimal functioning. Dr. Fidelma discovered that these specific nerves only need blood for short bursts, precisely when a person is in the sujood position during prayer. This revelation marked a significant turning point for Dr. Fidelma. Further studying the implications of sujood piqued her curiosity about Islam. She took the time to explore Islamic teachings, engaging with books and discussions with her Muslim colleagues. Eventually, she embraced Islam with full awareness, reciting the Shahada, the Declaration of Faith. Her newfound understanding of the benefits of sujood, coupled with her research findings, motivated her to convert. Now, as a devout Muslim, Dr. Fidelma has chosen to spread her knowledge through her medical practice. She established a clinic called Treatment with the Quran, where she integrates Quranic verses and recommendations from the Hadith of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, into patient care. Her clinic offers various Islamic treatment methods, including fasting, honey, and olive oil. Guided by the Quran and Hadith, she continues to research and develop Islamic medicine, aiming to treat patients holistically, spiritually, mentally, and physically. Through her expertise in biology and neurology, Dr. Fidelma has attained personal peace, which she diligently applies in her practice for the betterment of human health and well-being. Ongoing scientific research continues to illuminate the health benefits associated with prayer movements. A notable study from Binghamton University in New York revealed that performing prayer movements correctly and consistently can significantly alleviate back pain. Titled, "An Ergonomic Study of Body Motions During Muslim Prayer Using Digital Human Modeling," this research employed computer-driven digital models to analyze prayer movements statistically. Researchers compared models experiencing back pain with healthy ones and found that sujood had a positive impact on back health. Professor Dr. Muhammad Hassan from Binghamton University commented that some prayer movements resemble yoga or physical therapy techniques used for treating back pain. The findings showed that Sujood enhances joint flexibility and contributes to healing back pain. Researchers suggested that individuals extend the duration of Sujood, as doing so provides even greater health benefits. However, they also noted that if performed improperly, Sujood could exacerbate pain. Therefore, further research is necessary to identify optimal movements for people with diverse physical conditions, including individuals with disabilities, varying body types, or pregnant women. These findings provide scientific validation for the health benefits of prayer movements, reminding us that prayer is not solely a spiritual exercise but plays a key role in maintaining physical well-being. Understanding this underscores the importance of performing prayer with focus and reverence while recognizing its numerous benefits. In conclusion, the act of sujood during prayer transcends mere worship. It is a profound physical practice that can help maintain bodily health, strengthen muscles, increase flexibility, and improve cardiovascular performance. The simple act of humbling oneself to the ground fosters tranquility in the soul and brings wellness to the body. Numerous scientific studies have attributed astonishing benefits to this movement, and I will summarize the key findings below. 1. Oxygen to the brain. During sujood, the heart is elevated above the brain, improving blood flow and thus ensuring a sufficient oxygen supply to the brain. This is crucial for enhancing the function of billions of nerve cells and can also aid in relieving headaches and boosting overall cognitive performance. 2. Improves digestive health. The position of ruku positively influences the abdominal organs, enhancing blood flow and promoting digestive health. Sujood can also relieve muscle spasms and cramps in this area. 3. Promotes lymphatic flow. By placing the forehead, nose, knees, palms, and fingertips on the ground during sujood, lymphatic circulation is improved, benefiting the body's overall health. 4. Enhances female health. The movements involved in sujood support fertility and overall female reproductive health by strengthening pelvic muscles and improving blood circulation. 5. Facilitates respiration. The bodily posture during sujood compresses the diaphragm, aiding smooth breathing, beneficial for those with respiratory issues such as asthma. 6. Prevents hemorrhoids. The upright posture during sujood enhances blood flow in the anal area, reducing the risk of hemorrhoids. 7. Strengthens muscles. Rising from sujood engages and strengthens key muscle groups, particularly in the calves and chest. 8. Improves posture. Ruku and sujood movements can enhance one's posture and flexibility, while improving blood and oxygen circulation throughout the body. Understanding these health advantages might motivate Muslims to approach their prayer practice with greater mindfulness. By recognizing that proper and consistent execution of sujood not only brings spiritual rewards, but also significantly benefits our physical and mental well-being, we could enrich our prayer experience. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this session inspires you. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, take care.